Okay. Good evening po, basketball fans. Welcome ulit po sa ating pong Friday night bakbakan sa ating aviation-friendly Dabas Flying League. This time around now, playing now red again, Team CAS. Yan, Team CAS versus, of course, the big boys, Team Oryx. Ayan, ha. In 3 minutes, we're about to start the ball game. Pasensya na po sa mga nagante po sa atin po dyan. Medyo ano po tayo, nag-organize po kasi po tayo. Maraming salamat po. Bakbakan po tayo, Friday night, bakbakan po tayo pong yun between CAS and, of course, Oryx basketball team. CAS still coming po sa isang good game po against Freighters last week. Oryx team po, of course, coming also good game also against Freighters naman. Okay, tara, let's go. This is your aviation-friendly Dabas Flying League. We'd like to thank the following sponsors, SPB ARA and PSV Basketball League. Sampo natin po dyan ang Team LBC at Thread the Needles Tailoring or Uniforms po yan. Welcome po ito po at mga participating teams sa season number 5. Hub, Oryx, Inflights, CAS, Airport United, Boleros, QR Towers Freighters, Sky Team, and The Mechanicos. This is now the eliminations. First game po tayo sa ating Friday night bakbakan sa ating aviation friend dub as a Flying League. CAS versus, alam po natin yan, Team Oryx. Second game po natin po is QR Towers versus Boleros. And last po natin po is Sky Team versus the Freighters. Pero kung Sabado po tayo sa Sabado is Skyline versus Airport United. And of course, Hub Lounge versus the Mechanicos. Pero meantime po, siyempre, dito muna po tayo mag-enjoy po tayo. Bakbakan Supernatural. CAS versus Oryx basketball team. CAS still wala pa pong bahid ng karunisan. Versus po tayo po sa Team Oryx naman. Okay, kami for a great game po sa kanyang mga Riano, sa kanyang mga nakalaban po. 2-1 po sila. We're just waiting now for the opening whistle. Idol, dito po sir.
Asinho, hindi Asinjo.
Asinjo.
Asinho.
Asinho.
Ho.
Asinho. Okay.
Asinho. Correction na.
Teka. Asinho. Asinho.
Pilido namin yun eh.
Okay. Okay, Asinho. Thank you. Asinho.
Okay.
Okay, tara. Asinho. Okay, Asinho. Okay, thank you. Okay, we're about to start right now sa ating pong laro po nito sa gabing ito. CAS versus Oryx basketball team. Bakbakan Supernatural po ito for sure. Ayan, yung kanilang stakeholder dumarating na. Yung pinang-stakeholder po ng CAS dumarating na po. Yan. Asinho pala, Asinho. Okay. We're just waiting for opening whistle and it's now time now sa ating aviation friendly league dubbed as the Flying League. CAS playing red and black combination. And of course, ang ano po tayo po is Oryx po playing white and black combination. Okay, first 10 minutes of basketball action is on the way now. CAS versus, ano po natin yan, ang Team Oryx. Okay, Joel Gambets is watching. Si Christian Trunia Mendoza is already watching also. Si Gigs Velasco. Saan po natin po dyan si Joel Gambets and company. First quarter action po tayo ng Adrian So. First game, first quarter na po ha. Yung susunod po na laro po, magandaan na po kayo. Maraming salamat po. Second game po natin is Boleros and QR Towers ha. Yung susunod po dito po, please be informed. First quarter na po, magsisimula na po sa inyong susundan na laro. Maraming salamat po. First quarter. Sino po ang first quarter mga boss? Okay, one new comment daw. Okay, sabi nito, shoutout po kay Team Eusebio. Okay, shoutout po Mr. Team Eusebio. Good evening po sa po dyan. And, we're about to start na po sa isang matinding bakbaka po ngayon. Cast versus Oryx sa ating Aviation Friendly League dubbed as the Flying League. Calling now all the first 5. Rep King and Company, Sir Idol. Rep King, thank you po sa SPB ARA for keeping this game in a neat and orderly fashion. Okay. Seymour G Formers watching. And tara, please do like and subscribe po sa aking pong channel, Arvin G Vlog, sa aking YouTube, pati pong Facebook, pakifollow na po aking pong FB page po. Maraming salamat po. We're about to start po ngayon po sa ating unang quarter po. This time na po, of course, si Bernie, si Albert po yan, sila brother, si Melvin at si Scott at si Limcaco. Kabila na po, of course, si Raspe, si Gozum. Di pa kasi, inaano pag kilo-confirm pa lang. Okay, that's si Raspe, that's Gozum, si number 14, si Perez yata yan. Number 14, saan pa natin po yan, si number 6. And, Sir, Idol, Limcaco, Idol. Okay, tara. First quarter action is on the way now. Ito, maganda po to. Of course, nandito pa yung kanilang si Mr. JS na magtitumunding yung mami sa kanyang grupo rin. Borlasa pala, number 18 at si number 14. Yan, first quarter po yan. First quarter action is on the way now. Bumaba kayo focus sa camera. Okay, salamat po. Okay, first quarter action is on the way now. First quarter action is on the way already. Okay, si Raspe versus sino versus si Marasigan yata yan. Makatapat niya. Of course, sa kabila po si Guillermo, si number 14, si Gozum, si Borlasa, at si Raspe. Okay, yan. Okay, first quarter action on the way now. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, ito na. Now, nakuha ka the white ball. White bola, wala. Nandun si Gozum. Gozum, nag-rebound po si Gozum kagad. Rebound ni Gozum, binababa ngayon ni Guillermo. Nando si Gozum to Guillermo, number 20. Number 20, kicking out to Guillermo, to Gozum. Si Raspe, kumakat si Borlasa. Nope, hindi po mano. And Perez, pops up Gozum, pasok ang bola. Samahan ang focus ang camera ko yun. Okay, game. Gozum 2 points. 9 to Scott, driving strong. Foul called. Foul called. Who's foul rep? 0-1 called for the foul. Scott shooting for 2. Shooting po si Scott. Take 2. First shot is good. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready. Second shot, nandun ang red shirts, pinukul ka, nandun naman si Limcaco, binato ka kay number 9, pops up, bangs it in, 3 points, number 9, that's Medina. Scott, tinatap na nila, and now to Guillermo, touch pass to Perez, kick out pass, dalawa po doon, palpa ni Birdie, what a block by Albert. 10 to shoot. Kumat po sa number 14. 2 points. Number 14, 2 points. Dedak po tayo sa 4. Number 14, 2 points. Dedak po sa 4. Scott na naman. Driving strong. Repelled again. Nando si Medina. Nando si Scott. And Limcaco. Malakas. Good ball. Pops up for 3. No good. Gozum. Against Melvin. Guillermo, pinasa kay Guillermo. Binaba ang bola. Borlasa, number 18. No good. Rebound battle. 2 points. Tip in. Great ipin po ng Cas. Binababa ngayon po ni Medina ang bola. And now to Scott. Palpal. Block. One more time. Scott. Again to Melvin, take 2. No good, malakas ang bank shot niya. Binaba muli po kay Penop. Eto na po tayo, Borlasa. Bang! 2 points, Borlasa. Borlasa 2 points, 4-point lead advantage already. Now Escat against Guillermo. Escat number 20 against Guillermo number 20. Great matchup. Again, dribbling styles. And now Escat. 2 points Escat. Nice slash, nice dish by Escat. Guillermo against Melvin. Kick pass kagat kay Borlasa. Borlasa. Number 18. Guillermo. Number 20. Against si Melvin. Dinikita na. Go zoom. Thinking 3. Pops up for 3. No good. Rebound. White shorts. White ball. Samson Gabi. Shout out po sa kay Lodi Bes. Sabi po ni Mr. Gabi. And bulik po tayo Escat now. Bring down the ball. 6-8 point score po natin. 7:51 remaining. Escat against Guillermo. Escat driving strong. Escat dish of pass. Pops up 2 points. That's number 9. 2 points kagad. Ang binanatan po niya. Number 9. Grabe yung number 27 daw. Melvin, muntik na manakawan ng bola. Guillermo, no good. Rebound, Limcaco. Kick pass kagad kay Melvin. Melvin, bank shot made. In and out. No good. Borlasa rebounding. Borlasa number 18 against Albert. Borlasa, no good. Rebound, Escat. Escat turn around. Melvin humingi ng bola. Melvin again. 2 points, Melvin. 2 points. 6:59 remaining. Pakinggan na po yung second liners. Maraming salamat po. And now Guillermo for 3. Kapos. Kick pass kay Escat. May dalawa ka dumagbag sa kanya. Nasundot si Escat. Malinis sa pagkakasundot sa kanya. Guillermo, Borlasa against Albert. 2 shirts. May foul called. Welcome to the land of giants para kay Borlasa. Borlasa shooting for 2. Number 18 Borlasa shooting for 2. Pops up number 18. Yes sir. Second shot number 18. Second shot number 18. The score is 10-9. Lamang po ang Oryx. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Limcaco. Kick pass kagad. Nando si Gozum. Intercept ng Gozum. Palpal. Foul call kay Birdie. Albert called for a foul. Marasigang called for a foul. Number 1. That's Seraspe. Shooting for 2. Seraspe shooting for 2 po tayo. Pops up. It's out. Second shot jumper ready. Wala pa rin pong gumagalo ng baso. 10-9 pa rin pong score natin. 10-9 po score po natin. Seraspe. Second shot jumpers ready. In and out. Rebound Birdie. Albert pinasa muna kay number 9. Medina. Marasigan, top of the key. No good. Rebound battle, one by. Si Daisy. The white shirts. Pa-shoutout kay Scott, sabi ni Vivas. Navarro Vivas. Kick out kay Scott. Scott driving strong. Stripped away. Better foul. Take 2 kay Scott. Again, number 28 called for the foul. 28? Yeah, 28. Go zoom. First shot is Scott is in. 5:41 remaining. 5-4 down. 11-9 score po natin. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Wala. Rebound. Limcaco. Medina. Thinking 3. Nope. Limcaco for 3. In and out. Borlasa. Last possession na malamang. Go zoom. Go zoom for 3. Malakas. Borlasa palpal. Albert tumama na sa padding. Tumama na sa padding. Maraming salamat po. number 20, Guillermo. Pops up po Borlasa, pasok o bola. Lamang na po ang Oryx. Ay, sorry, ang Cas. Escat naman, zigzagging. Escat, 2 points Escat. And change 5 na po tayo. Change 5, sino po? Okay, si number 27 ng Cas, papasok na for sure. Asinho. Nandito po si Lumawag at si Contreras. Sampo natin po dyan si number 50, si JS at si Defensor. Okay, Sino is supporting na parang si number 17 din, nandyan din. Dito lang po, of course, Jose, si Al Natur, sampo na si Chudilax, si Pulintan at si Mr. Labrado. Okay, Contreras, binababa ang bola. Contreras bring down the ball. Now to Mr. Defensor. Jose, nice D by Chudilax. Labrado, naipit ang konti, nagatang mapasahan, butik na. Chudilax. Al Natur, nice cut by Chudilax, no good. Rebound Labrado, dukot pa, pasok pa. Jolens. 15-12 again, lamang po ng tatlo ang Oryx. At 4:29 remaining, Kaufer. And nando si Asinho, wala, malalim masyado. Ito naman si Mr. Labrado, malakas ang pasa. Too much pressure, my friend, too much pressure. Bring down pressure, my friend. Okay. Binababa po rin ang bola po. Ito na po si Mr. Defensor. Let's go. Sabi ni Sir Chongson. Nico Chongson says, let's go, Cass. And Contreras for 3. Wala. Rebound Al Natur. Shipped away. Almost by Asinho. Ito po tayo ngayon. Then now to Mr. Pulintan. Ipit ako kay Contreras. Jose. In and out. Foul called. Malakas. Rinig. Narinig. And Mr. Defensor. And now pops up. Bangs it in. Number 17, 3 points. Deadlock muli po tayo. That's 17. 17, 3 points. And Pulintan. Pops up for 3 again. Bang shot in. That's the bid. Number 17 Panakalo. Itong ka 3 points si Pulintan. Balik-balik sa tatlong kalamangan ng Oryx. Okay. JS. The bid again. In and out. Rebound Al Natur to Mr. Labrado kick pass ko Jose driving strong. Dukot wala and Chudilax sabas muna raw. Labrado Jose for 3. No good. Rebound by Defensor rebounding. 3 shots ka nakabang sa kanya. Okay, Labrado. Hindi mo kay Labrado ang pag-defense kay Defensor. Defensor kick pass kay JS no good. Chudilax sa rebound. Asinho binabantay si Chudilax. Binababa ang bola ngayon si Mr. Labrado to Jose. Labrado sa ilalim. No kick out kay Mr. Al Natur. Nice D by JS kick pass kay Defensor. White ball says the referee. Shoutout kay Motolite pang matagal per the game kay Scott. And Robas per the game po sa team of si Alain Lim. Motolite pwede. Pang matagalan. Convincing. Okay. Labrado kumat sana si Al Natur. Contreras. David. May sumabit si Pulintan. Number 1, Pulintan called for foul. David, number 17, shooting for 2. And Cass shooting for 2. And penalty na po ang Team Oryx. Whining for penalty yata. Pops up, David. It's out. Bantayan pa rin eh. Next shot. Jumpers ready. Next shot. It's in. Dalawa. David. Point for David. Pulintan. Pulintan binabad. Durex. Si Mr. Albert Dino Marasigan. Sabi ni Babagay. Al Nator. Jose na naman. Thinking 3. Wag mo na raw. Jose. Ayun. Chudilac. Chudilac. No good. Rebound. Barwan by Defensor. Defensor. Against Al Natur. Defensor. Al Natur. Foul. Who's foul, rep? Again, number 1. Pangatlo na po yung tampo yan, ha? Fail situation, Team Oryx. Defensor shooting for 2. Number 1, Pulintan. Tatlo na. Tatlo na. Bill. Marbs. Tatlo na, di ba? O, dalawa. Sorry, dalawa lang pala. Sorry. 2 fouls only. 2 personal foul. 2 personal fouls on Pulintan already. Sorry, correction po. Defensor, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Is in nothing but net. Isa. 59 seconds remaining, first quarter action. Pasara na po. And now, Labrado against David. David Labrado. And now, Pulintan, driving show. Nandun si Natur. 2 points, Natur. Dave. Uy! Miscommunication between 2 players, between David and JS. 36 seconds remaining, 20-17 score po natin. Binababa ang bola po ngayon ni Mr. Pulintan. 31 seconds remaining. Pulintan! No good. Rebound, JS. JS hinahabol ni Chudilax. JS. Kick pass kay Contreras. Pops up. In and out. Jose. Pops up. Wala. And that's it. First quarter action ended. The score is 20-17. Laban ng tatlo ang Oryx basketball team. Laman po ang pito, ang puti. Laman po ang puti po ng tatlo, 2017. Habang po tayo po maghanap buhay muna po tayo. This is your Aviation Friday Doubles of Flying League. We'd like to thank first of our following sponsors, and of course, this game is part of by SPB ARA.
Tatlo daw talaga pala.
Oh, tatlo talaga. Okay. And of course, nandiyan din po si PSBQ. And of course, ating mga main sponsors, Thread the Needles and Team LBC, hari ng padala. You're watching right now the first game for tonight po tayo between Cats and Oryx Basketball. Shoutout po kay Melvin, sabi ni Mr. Babagay. Red ball. Second quarter action. Si number 19, si Cariaso. Si number 8 at si number 23. Kabalaan ko of course, si Lumawag, si Rivera, si Amampang, at si Opulencia at si number 0, that is Mr. Olea. Pulintan, 3 personal fouls ito talaga as per record. Okay, second quarter action. Start right now. Olea for the inbound. Idol. Olea inbounding. At si Melvin ang pinasok. Ba't ganun? Melvin. Lumawag. Naipitan. Rivera naman. Running shot. 2 points kagad kay Rivera. Rivera 2 points. Yan yung mga inaano kay Rivera. Inabangan kay Rivera. And to Cariaso naman. Cariaso for 3. Wala. Eto na si Amampang. The Hasselman. Amampang. And one play made by Amampang. Lamang na pumili po ng isa ang Cats over Oryx. 21-20 po tayo. 9:28 remaining. Amampang bonus shot. Pasok. 3-point play completed. 20-22. Melvin Amampang. Melvin nagmamadali. Melvin to Cariaso. Cariaso, ano muna raw? Nandun si... Wala! In and out! Nanakaw na naman. At si Rivera. 2 points si Rivera. Melvin. Running shot. Thanks din. 2 points. That's 23, 2 points. 22-24. Laman po ng dalawang ang team Cas. Amampang nakalusot. Amampang. D-shot pass. Ayun kay Oleya. Pops up. In and out. It's out. And nandun si Amampang. Amampang. Floater shot. Wala pa rin. Tap kanino. Ayun. Puti. Number 9. Melvin. Palpal. Opulensya. Palpal si Melvin Capilensya. No foul. Rivera. Stop and pop. 2 points. Rivera 2 points. Stop and pop. Uy! Backing violation. Backing violation called on Oryx. Balik muli po tayo. Red ball po tayo. This time around si Rivera for the inbound. Pinasok at kay Mr. Amampang. Amampang is Melvin. Amampang zigzagging. D-shot pass. No good. Nandun si Lumawag. Standing shot. 2 points. Melvin. Number 19. Number 8. Pops up again. Number 9, 23. 2 points. 24, 4 lang kalamangan. 7-17 remaining. Amampang. 48. Nakalusot. Amampang. Lumawag. Goy! 3-second violation na tinawag ng referee sa Cas. Ball. Good ball. Pops up, malakas. Rebound Barwan by Lumawag. Ayun na naman sila. 2-on-2 situation. 3-on-2 situation. Amampang. Wala. Parang kilala ko yun. Yung sa Facebook doon. Pakilala. Yung... Uy, kumikita yun. Milyonaryo yun. Yung practical lang siya. First shot good. Second shot, jumper shot. Di po tayo sa 5-point advantage already ng team Cas over Oryx. Amampang second shot. Out. Tapos. Ayan na naman, hinabol. Number 23, Oleya. Jolens, 2 points, Jolens. Rivera against Melvin. Rivera, harassed by Melvin. Double team. Nope, it's stop and pop. In and out, 2 points. Kick pass kagad, 23, nakalusot. Against Oleya. Foul called. Number 19, shooting for 2 at 6:03 remaining. Lamang po ang 5 ang Cas. It's out. Second shot, jumper ready. Second period, jumper ready po tayo. It's out. Both baskets out. Amampang. Amampang. Naipit. Amampang, 4th H, 4 the inbound. Kas, ball, Olea, 0. Olea, hinabol, lumawag, Amampang, Amampang. Kick pass kay Rivera. Bang! Sige! Huwag niyong pawawalan niya si Rivera pag umapo yan. Pamatay sunog yan. Melvin. 5:21 remaining. Melvin, Amampang nakalusot na. Amampang, Amampang. Amampang driving strong. Amampang. Kick pass. 2 points. Opulensya. And change 5 po tayo. Okay, what a great turn events po tayo yun. After a half of the second quarter, lamang na po ng 8 ang team Cast over Oryx. At 5:09 remaining second quarter action. Okay, Natur. Okay, Natur, Escat, Jose, Labrado, and Chudilax. Kabilang ko si JS, si Defensor, si Arnado, Contreras, at si number 23, yan si Manalisan. Okay. Labrado. Al Natur, pops up. Nope. Rebound, Defensor. Defensor, binababa ang bola. Against Labrado. Nice pass. Pops up. Arnado, wala. Rebound kay Escat. Escat ang tatapos. Escat, 2 points. Wag mo na subukan. Masisira buhay mo. Okay. Binababa ngayon ang kapisan dyan na si Jose. Against Labrado. Defensor versus Labrado. Labrado, Defensor. 4:28 remaining. Kumuha ng pick. JS for 3. Na. Wala. Na naman si Scott. Scott S. JS. Scott. Wala. Malalim. JS nakalusot. JS naman. Nagtitimon. 3-on-3. Uy! Nice one. 2 points. Yes. 10 po kalamangan. 10 kalamangan. JS. 2 points. And Labrado. Kumuha ng pick. Ayan na. Al Natur. Binato kay Jose. Jose naman. Jose for 3. Nope. Chudilax. 2 points. Chudilax. 28-30-38. Laman pa rin po ng 8. Pops up, Defensor. Nope, Kaldog. Labrado, nagmamadali. Labrado against the 2 shirts. Ayaw niya muna, malalaki kasi yan. Jose naman, Jose against Contreras. Jose Contreras. Nakakuha ng pick. Oop! Offensive pick. Offensive pick on a Scott. Inbounding si Contreras to Mr. Defensor. Binababa ng Defensor now to JS at 3:08 remaining. Defensor. JS o nope, it's Contreras. Naipit. Ayun. Out. 8 seconds to remain. 8 seconds to shoot. Contreras. Defensor against Labrado. Defensor. Nagbabantayan. Palpal. Wala na. Shot clock violation. 2:32 remaining. Scott against Arnado. Foul call.
Foul number 21.
21 Arnado called for the foul. Reaching foul called. 2:23 remaining. Scott inbounding. Scott against Arnado. Ayaw. Reaching foul again. Arnado. Back-to-back fouls on Arnado. Again, isa pa daw. Hop. Scott. JS Scott. Ayun, wala. One more time. Red shirt is there. Labrado again against Defensor. Labrado na kursot. Labrado, Jose. At nandun si Potreras against Judilax. Hop. Good ball. Call for a foul. Defensor shooting for 2.
Foul number 16.
Number 16 called for a foul. Defensor number 10 shooting for 2. First shot. Kapos. Second shot was said jump. Second shot. Jumper's ready. 1:42 remaining. Defensor, second shot is out. Rebound Al Natur. Good gamble for Oryx. 30-38, wala pa. Nagbantayan na naman sila. Nice D by number 22. Binababa ngayon Arnado. 2 points. 10 kalamangan. Scott naman. Scott driving show. Al Natur. Kapos. Foul call. Sumabit. Nasabit.
99.
Number 99 called for the foul. That's Contreras. Al Natur shooting for 2. The score is 30-40. Laman po ng 10 ang cast.
Both teams penalty na.
Both teams penalty situation. Al Natur first shot is in. Second shot, jumper ready. Second free throw, jumper shot para kay Mr. Al Natur, number 16. Al Natur, second throw, pops up. It's out. Rebound by Contreras. Defensor, nagtitimon ngayon. Defensor. Awkward shot by Defensor. Foul called. Foul. Who's foul rep? Contreras called for the foul. Number 9 called for the foul. The score is 31-40. Laman po ng siyam ang cast over Oryx. Scott first shot. It's in. Second shot. Lamang 8. Second free throw, lamang po ng 8. Pops up. Both basket made. Defensor, nagtitumon na naman ng bola. Defensor, binababa, NT kay Mr. JS. Contreras, ayaw. Arnado, palpal. $12 seconds to shoot. $12 seconds. Contreras. 10 seconds. Defensor. Palpal. JS. Palpapin. Foul. Take 2. $77 called for the foul. Judilax. JS shooting for 2. It's in. Second shot jumpers ready for JS. Second free throw jumpers ready po para kay JS. Pops up. Both basket made. 33-42. Laman po ng Siyam. Labrado. Jose for 3. Nope. Out of bounds. Wala pa rin yun. Alat pa ni Jose. Off night for Jose. 17 seconds remaining. Third Dinar Canton is watching right now also. Sama si Maverick Valdez. Ayun na, malakas ang pasa. Malakas ang pasa, malakas ang pasa. Chodilax. Okay. Buzzer beater. Halftime po tayo. The score is 35-42. Laman po ng 7 ang Team CAS. Halftime po tayo. Okay, halftime po tayo ha. I think merong penalty free throws yata to be given to CAS. Konti kasi po ang Team Onyx. Okay, Guillermo. Wala. Si Perez din. Si number 22 rin. Number 22. Pasok. Perez, number 14. Last shot. Out. Okay. 3 shots ang binigay po sa Team CAS.
Third quarter, white ball.
Team White po tayo. Team White. White ball. White ball. White ball. Pulintan for the inbound. Number 1, Pulintan inbounding. Pulintan. Number 1, Pulintan.
Pulintan.
Chodilax. Malakas. Guillermo. Oop. Borlasa. Amampang. Amampang. Crossover. Amampang. Foul call. Offensive foul called. Offensive foul called. 48 po, tinapon ang offensive foul. Okay, Pulintan. Binaba ang bola at 9:23 remaining. Pops up, Chudilax, 2 points. Chudilax, 2 points. Lamang ng 6. Guillermo. Lopez, Borlasa. Wala. Rebound, Albert. Birdie for the rebound. And to Medina. Medina for 3. In and out. Rebound by number 1. Hop, naipit. Borlasa. In and out. Rebound, birdie. Albert naka-rebound. Binaba ang bola. Floater shot. Wala. Rebound ng ranang kas. Guillermo. Guillermo na to. Amampang again. Amampang. 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 Nako ng pick. Amampang. Kick pass. Borlasa. Top of the key. No good. Guillermo naman. Guillermo. Gozum. Chudilax sa rebound. Foul! Sir Bajol is watching. Number 1. Medina again. Floater shot. Malakas. Chudilax. Guillermo. Chudilax. Kick pa. Palpal. Nice cut by Amampang. Almost had it basket.
Second foul. Position.
Basket made? Masok? Okay. Nope. Di pumasok. Oy! Kapos! Still, lamang pa rin po ng 6 ang Team Cass over Oryx. Bitsy! Pulintan. 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 Borlasa. Uy! Good ball. Borlasa. Foul! Sumabit si Medina. Medina called for the foul. Okay. Second shot, Borlasa. Borlasa, second throw. Pasok. And timeout, Oryx. The score is 37-44. Lamang po ng 7 ang Team Cass over Oryx. Game. Okay, balik muli po tayo. 37-44. Pulintan to Albert Marasigan or pupulintan again. Binababa ang bola. Ayan na kay Carriazo. Nice one. 2 points. Nice one. 2 points by number 19. Darkas. Amampang. Driving show. Naipit. Kanina bola referee. White ball. Tumama yata sa hita ng Cas. White ball daw, sabi nila. White ball. Pulintan, binabang bola. Pulintan, driving strong. Sayang. Okay, Medina against Amampang. Mukhang maganda bantayan dito. Old and new. O ano? O past impression o future. Nice one. And now go zoom. Offensive foul.
Offensive foul.
Sab po tayo. Sino ba? Sab. Okay. Si Mr. Pulintan at si for Escat and Medina for Mr. Jose. The score is 13-40. Lamang po ng 5 ang Team Cas over Oryx. Pulintan. Binababa pa rin ang bola. Escat. Ayun. Albert. Labas muna. Carriazo for 3. Bang! Silin. 3 points, Carriazo. 3 points. Eto naman sila. Borlasa. Guillermo, difficult shot. Nandun si Gozum. Hoop shot. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Albert over si Raspe. Nice rebound by Albert. Now to Carriazo driving strong. Malakas. Pushball rep. Timeout Cas. Hindi na gusto pa ni Coach Rocamora ang nangyaring yun. They have to have a breather already. .4:59 remaining, 42-44. Laman po ng 2 ang Team Cas over Oryx. Alex Magallanes Sulet is watching right now also. At si Jao Gamit. 4:59 remaining po tayo ngayon. 4:59. Of course, second game po natin po is Boleros and QR Towers. Boleros coming for a fresh victory last week po against Mecanicos. And lumawag daw po, nag-report na rin para sa Team Cas. Along with Oboleya, Opulencia, and Rivera. Lumawag. Eh, Carriazo na naman. Kapos. Lumawag, nagmamadali. Lumawag, naipit ng konti. Lumawag. Ayun na, si Rivera. Naipit. Oy, 3-second violation. Tinawag ni referee. Scott. Magtitimon na rin po para sa Team Cas din. Scott, bumibito ng konti. Jose, mag-isa. No. Rebound. Tap by Lumawag. 3-on-2 situation. Rivera, lumawag. 2 points, lumawag. Carriazo. Nandun, naipit. Asinho, nakanakaw. Interception by Asinho. Oleya, tapos rebound by Albert. Scott sa ilalim, 2 points. Scott, 2 points. Muntik pa man 42-46. 3:58 remaining. Opulencia. Hop. Lumawag. Rivera, naipit ng kote. Nato lumawag. Opulencia. Palpal. Rebound. Dang puti. Hop. White ball. Confirmed. Okay, Carriazo, good game. And also si Limca ko pinasok na rin para kay Bernie. Para kay Albert. Number 1. Pulintan pa rin na nagtitimon. Escat. Escat, driving strong. Hoy! Escat. Escat nakalusot. Dalusotan. Rivera. Still completed. Escat. Asinho. Escat. Asinho. Escat. 2 points tabla. Dead na naman tayo at 46. Rivera. Binabante ni Jose. Nakalusot si Rivera kay Jose. Greening ayon. Dukot sinalim. Malakas. Rebound by Lumawag. 2 points. Red ball out of the hands of Mr. Al Natur. Rivera number 16. Lumawag. Opilensya. 5 seconds. Good ball. Foul. White ball. Okay, Pulintan. Palitan muna ni Lumawag. Jose, I think will go now for the guard duty maybe. Okay? Jose, okay. Labrador muna ngayon magtitimon para sa Team Oryx. Al Natur. Al Natur, driving show. No, Pelise. Jose, for 3. Kapos. Wala pa rin siyang ano. Wala pa rin siya field goal pa rin. Jose, still scoreless ha. 2:06 remaining. Olea! In and out. Escat. And one play made for Escat. Nabubuhay sa Oy. Oy!
Number 27.
Number 27 called for the foul. That's Asinho. Escat shooting for 2 for the bonus free throw rather. Basket made. Okay, lamang muli po ang Team Oryx Overcast 3-point advantage already at 1:45 remaining. I think we have a very, very, very intensive fourth quarter coming right up. Rivera, Lumawag, Palpal, Al Natur na nakawan. Hinako niya Al Natur, Escat ngayon, Escat, nakalusot si Escat. Uy! Good ball! Same ball, white ball, red ball. Bawi! Rivera against Labrado. Lumawag, scoring the shots. Asinho, in and out, rebound, Olea, Palpal, foul on Limcaco. Limcaco called for the foul. Olea, number 0, shooting for 2. Olea, first shot. Pasok. Olea, second free throw, second throw. To dream the lead down to 1 point. Both basket made Olea. Limcaco for 3. In and out. Asinho. Olea. Love Rivera. 10-1 play pa. Ba't mo hinabol, boy? Hindi mo dapat habulin yun.
Boss, ba't lumipat ka, boss?
Kasta naman, lumamang. Labrado called for the foul. Rivera for the bonus free throw. Pass. Dalawa. Rivera, pasok. 2-point lead. 41 seconds remaining. Escat. No good. No foul. Lumawag Olea. In and out. Rebound ang Latour. Kick pass kay Scott. Scott nakalusot. Scott. 2 points si Scott. 10 seconds remaining. Asinho. Asinho for 3. In and out. 51 all. Back to zero lahat. Back to zero lahat tayo. Tablado sa 51 all. Okay, game. This is Bench Friday Gabas sa Flying League. Walang tayo ng following sponsors: SPB Ara, PSB Gabas League, and of course, Threading Needles and Team LBC Hari ng Padala. These are appointed participating teams po for the season number 5 ng ating ABH Friday League. And this is not the eliminations. And first game now is being played po tayo between CAS and Oryx, 4th quarter action. Casball daw, Casball. Okay, 4th quarter action. Lumawag, Defensor, Contreras, Serrano, and si Mr. Mampang. Kabilang of course, si Albert, si Jose, si Alnatur, si Pulintan, at si Number. Game. Yung Japanese natin. Lumawag, malakas. Lumawag, default shot, rebound Alnatur. Uy! Ganda. Okay, that's number 8. Nagatomo. Amampang, Bishop pass, Lumawag. Contreras sa kulusot, pops up, Tabaraki, no good. Uy! Alnatur, 2 points Alnatur. Nano. JS, to Amampang again. Ito hapon, di ba? Defensor, 2 points, 53 all. Parang boxing. Nagte-trading blow sila ngayon. Nagatomo nga, ito nga yun. Jose, pops up for 3. In and out. Jose, naka-rebound. Foul! Take 2. Ito nga yung hapon, Nagatomo nga, yung hapon. That's Nagatomo. Jose, take 2. 8:41 remaining, 4th quarter action. Okay, say po natin po nasa na kayo. Team Towers and Boleros, where are you? Nandito na mi. Okay. Jose, second throw. Jumpers ready to take the lead. Kapos. JS. Foul. Contreras. Oy, travel elimination call. Doon naman pang. Nice D, Banisha Nagatomo. Nice D. Nagatomo bring down the ball. The Kamikaze Kid. Nagatomo. And Jose, Nagatomo. Kick pass, Pulintan, driving strong. Albert Marasigan. Kick pass kay Jose for 3. Ayaw. Wag mo na raw. Jose. Malakas kay Jose. No foul. 53 all pa rin. JS against Alnatur for 3. JS. Malakas. Air ball for JS. Okay, 10 na po tayo. Okay, Nagatomo. Ano muna tayo? Pahinga muna kayo mission Nagatomo. Scott pumasok na. 7:50 remaining. Nice good game kay Nagatomo. Scott naka-rib. Scott Al Natur, dangerous pass. JS against Scott. Foul on Scott. 27 second foul on Scott. 7:38 remaining, 53 all po tayo. Amampang from Defensor. Defensor, muntik na ano yung bola. Okay, na-recover again. JS. Thinking 3. Ayaw niya. Amampang. Nice tap out by Albert Marasigan. Albert, 12 seconds again to shoot. JS, pops over 3. No good. Scott naka-rebound. Scott pushing. Scott, in and out. Defensor, stripped away, pero may foul. Who's foul rep? Defensor, shooting for 2. Jose, labas muna, pasok muna si Darkas. Number 19, sorry. Ayos, Darkas. Pops up, kapos. Again for the lead again for Team Cas. Defensor. In. Okay, labas muna, papasok muna of course si number 1 para kay Lumawag at si Rivera naman po para kay Contreras. Stop and pop Rivera nandiyan din. Ariola is watching right now at si Jeffrey Ipe Breton, congratulations, best wishes. Nandun si Amampang steal the ball. Rivera pops up 2 points. JS. And timeout called now by Team Oryx. 3-point lead advantage by Oryx. Against Oryx by Cas. Judging ba, mas medyo malalim po ang bench ng Cas over Oryx. Yan ang masabi ko po dyan. At the same time, of course, more fresh legs. Pag malalim bench, more fresh legs. We'll see. 6:29 remaining. 53-56. Marasigan again. To Labrado. Labrado, binababa ang bola. Labrado driving strong. Ayun! Malam niya ang pasa. Scott. No foul. Nice 2 points. Idol lang. 2 points. Para kay Nako. Kumitik yung YouTube. Yung pa. Naalala po si Amampang. Na-injury si Amampang. Kaya matibay yan. Okay, Amampang. Pumitik kasi yung lang. Okay. Okay, mapagpag lang, pagpag. Okay, ano muna? Third foul on the Scott. Amampang, labas muna para kay Borlasa. Scott pangatlo, and Rivera, the stop and pop man for the inbound. Ganda sa pat si Rivera. Okay, JS. Pumitik eh. No, Rivera. Ayun. Pops number 3. Tapos. Borlasa, kapos. The score is 55-58 naman po ng tatlo. Scott. Scott naman against Scott. Loto shot, 2 points. Binato ang bola. Ayun kay JS. Uy! Scott, check. Again, game. Scott, uy! Nope. Okay, JS. No good. Rebound, battle one by the white shirts. Binatong bola. Ayun si Defensor. Wala. JS. Malalim. 2 points, JS. Scott naman. Scott. Foul. Holding foul call ni Scott. The score is 57-60. Lamang ng tatlo. At 4:18 remaining. Jose, papasok muna. Okay, Carriazo for Jose and Alnatur para kay Nino. Okay, para kay number 19. Alnatur. Nako na pick. Wala pa rin. Still. The missing piece is still Jose. Kapos, rebound Alnatur. Labrado, JS. Foul on Defensor. Foul number 10, Defensor. 3 personal fouls, I think, for Defensor also. Okay, Albert, labas muna. Para kay Limcaco. First shot is Scott, no good. Second shot is Scott, jumper ready. At 3:50 remaining. It's in. Okay, balik tayo. Lamang ng tatlo. Lamang ng tatlo. JS. Nice dish pass. 2 points. Lumawag. JS. Baiting the defense and give it to the open man. Scott, 2 points. 59, 69, 62. Tatlo pa rin. 3:13 remaining. Defensor. Against Jose. Borlasa, kick pass kay J. And of course, kinuno ng Rivera. Wala. Scott, binato ka kay Labrado. Ang lakas ang pasa. Sab muna po tayo, Pulintan para kay Labrado. Boss, mami na, boss. Maki, mami na. Crucial kasi. JS. 2-point lead advantage. Defensor. In and out. Scott. Against Rivera. Scott for 3. No good. Rebound, Defensor. 2:24 remaining. JS. Nagtitimon ngayon. Contreras. Defensor. Pops up. Nope. It's JS. In and out. Pasok ang bola kay JS. Lima. Al Natur. Jose. No pass. Wrong pass. Nice. Quick hands. Al Natur. 2 points Al Natur. Hey! Same ball. Nice D by Jose. 3-point advantage by Cas. Rivera. Defensor. Lumawag. Tapos. Rebound again. Scott ang mamadali. Scott. Foul. Scott shooting for 2. A minute and 17 remaining. Must made shots for Scott to keep them at play. It's in. Second shot. Second shot. Jumper Schwery. Wala pa yun, no? Yung pop sa Pascal again. No, it is out. Nandun si Scott mulit. For 3. No good. Rebound by Defensor. Defensor. Dalawa. Laman ng dalawa. 1:04 remaining. A minute remaining. Fourth quarter action. Defensor. Lonong Rivera. Pasok ang bola kay Lonong Rivera. Pamatay sunog si Nonong Rivera talaga. Ang pamatay sunog. Pumasok. Pasok ang pamatay sunog. Game reset now. The score is 63-67 at 49 seconds remaining. Oryx, wala na pong timeout. 49 seconds remaining. Let's go, Cas, sabi ni Rob Castor. And Limcaco will inbound now. They use a 14-second shot clock. 14-second shot clock to be used. Limcaco, in and out. JS. Tapos. Jose, for 3. Bang, siring. Tatlo. Isa. Timeout kagad. What a play. Yung kinakailangan doon sa pumutok ngayon, si Jose. Actually, to give you one fun fact, that is the first field goal of Jose sa entire ball game. Wala pa siyang puro siya 3-point, puro sa blind. Now is the first point for Jose. First field goal for Jose. Two team fouls to give for Team Oryx. 28 seconds remaining. Shout out kay Ralph Caso. Sabi ni Julius Babagay. Cas ball. Bola doon ng Cas. A point. 66-67. 28 seconds remaining. They will go now for the full court. 24 seconds shot clock. JS. Jose, harassing. Foul called. One foul. 13 foul. 13 foul pa lang. 2 more fouls to give before penalty. 23 seconds remaining. Laman ng isa, JS against Al Natur. JS yung nagtitimo ng bola. JS. Defensor. Haras. Foul called. Isa pa daw. Eric Grama, shout kay Lodi Best at Nacho Games. Happy birthday, sabi doon ni Mr. Eric Grama. Eric, di ka naglalaro papansin ko lang Okay, si number 1, pasok muna para kay Nonong Rivera. I think kinakailangan mga rebounders yata. Dahil nagpapasok si Rocamora po ng mga rebounders. Full court press. No foul called. Final score 66-67. 1 point lead advantage. And of course, teka lang. Okay, wait there's a foul. Okay, that's it. End of the ball game. This concludes the first game for the day. The final score 66-67. Still, wala pa rin talo, Team Cats. Maraming salamat po. Good game po tayo. Thank you very much.